Hey guys, it's me again, Chewy Inc., and we have one more project. So we have a big shower, master shower, that's in the progress. So we have a heating floor over here. That's the Schluter system. It's a Hardy Beckers underneath of the membrane. It's already connected. The thermostat is in the process. It will be right over here. That's the floor in the shower itself. We will place it over here. The Schluter system is done. Waterproofing is done. We will have sprinkles here, handle, shower head. Drain will be the tile in, not the just the tile in like this. It will be in the middle like this. I will finish the waterproofing down here. And customer doesn't want to do it waterproofing all the way around, so it's his choice. We will have a double vanity here. The plumbing is changed completely underneath of the floor, behind the walls, here as well. The ceiling is done, just needs to be painted. Everything will be closed in a couple of days. This is Gogi. He's watching on us. It's a helper. So this is how it looks. We'll show you in the end. It will be a freestanding top over here. And it will be tile on this wall inside of the drywall. So it will be flush with the wall. That's the top. And that's the tile that will be inside of the wall. This is the big format tile that will be on the wall in the shower. And we will have 12 by 24 on the floor here. We have a niche, pretty big. It will be an LED over there on top. And most likely we're almost done.